Hello everyone, I am Keerthi ji, studying in final year BCA from Maharani Science College for Women. Firstly, I would like to thank Pavitra ma'am for this opportunity. Thank you ma'am. Today I am talking about cloud computing and its benefits. Cloud is nothing but an internet. Cloud computing refers to accessing the resources over the internet. Yeah, we can access the resource or we can subscribe the application whatever we need through the internet. Cloud computing offers your business many benefits. Cloud computing has so many benefits. It allows you to set up what is essentially a virtual office to give the business anywhere, anytime, with the growing number of web enabled devices used in today's business environment. Example smartphones, tablets, access to your data is even easier. Virtual means we can't see through our naked eye which running in the background of our system. We can easily set up virtual office anywhere, anytime, and we can easily access our data through our smartphones and tablets. If internet connection is very good, we can set up a virtual office anywhere and we can access our data very easily. The popular and important benefits of cloud computing are, first one is it reduces the IT costs. Moving to cloud computing may reduces the cost of managing and maintaining your IT system rather than purchasing. Yeah, initially we can start up a business with less investment rather than purchasing all the system. We can start up a business and we can extend the business whenever we need by subscribing the resource later. Expensive systems and equipment for your business, you can reduce your cost by using the resource of your cloud computing service provider. You may be able to reduce your operating cost because, yeah, we can by purchasing expensive systems in initial stage of our business. We can start up a business with less investment and we can later purchase or we can subscribe the resource through internet. Yeah, it reduces the purchasing cost of expensive systems. The cost of system upgrades, a new hardware and software may be included in your contract. You no longer need to pay wages for expert staff. It reduces the that we paying for employees. It reduces the employment cost. Our energy consumption costs may be reduced. Yeah, our energy will be saved, and there are fewer time delays, and it helps in time management. Next one is scalability. Your business can scale up or scale down your operation and storage needs quickly to suit your situation, allowing flexibility as your needs change. Rather than purchasing and installing expensive upgrades yourself, your cloud computer service provider can handle this for you. Using the cloud frees up your immune so you can get on with running your business. Scalability. Yeah, we can start up a business with less investment, and whenever we need more computing powers, cloud computing will give instant access to exactly what we need. Yeah, whenever we need extra resources, we can subscribe them from the internet, from the cloud, and we can extend our business laterly. Rather than purchasing expensive systems, we can start up a business and we can subscribe the expensive systems through internet and we can use them as per we need. Okay, next one is business continuity. Protecting your data and system is an important part of business continuity planning. Whether you experience a natural disaster or power failure or any other crisis, having your data stored in a cloud ensures it is backed and protected protected in secured in a safe location. Being able to access your data again quickly allows you to conduct a business as usual, minimizing a need downtime and loss of productivity. In business continuity, protecting our data is very important because data may be very confidential to our business. When a natural disaster or power failure or any other crisis may occur suddenly, but our data is backed and stored very safely in cloud. Our data will be highly safe and secured in cloud. So it's the main and important benefits of cloud computing. It provides backup and security. Next one is collaboration efficiency. Collaboration in a cloud environment gives your business the ability to communicate and share more easily outside the traditional methods. If you are working on a project across a different location, you could use cloud computing to give employees, contractors, and third parties access to the same files. You could also choose a cloud computing model that makes it easy for you to share records with your advisors. Yeah, collaboration efficiency. If you are working in different location or outside the state, by using cloud computing, we can give access to our file or which we are on or on the same project which we are working for to other employees or third parties. It built a cloud computing give a very good communication between suppliers and the users. It give very the suppliers and users. It allows us to share records very easily. Next one, flexibility of work practices. Cloud computing allows employees to be more flexible in their work practices. For example, you have the ability to access the data from home on holiday or via the commute to and work from home. If you need access to your data while you are off-site, you can connect to your virtual office quickly and easily. Yeah, cloud gives very flexibility to a user. We can set up a virtual office anywhere, anytime. With a proper internet connection, we can start up our work. We can access the data even in the home or any off-site. If we have good internet connection, we can start up our business virtual. We can set up a virtual office and start up our work. It's very flexible for users. Next one is access to automatic updates. Access to automatic updates for your IT requirements may be included in your service fee. Depending on your cloud computing service provider, your system will regularly be updated with the latest technology. This could include up-to-date version of software as well as upgrades to servers and computer processing power. If our system has up-to-date version of software, if the system consists of up-to-date version of software, this software helps to update automatically for latest technology. If you have up-to-date software, it helps the system to update automatically for the latest technology. And other simple benefits of cloud computing are data security will be higher, our data will be very secured, social networking will be whole lot easier, business will be able to conduct work in faster turnaround time at off of the cost, and we can increase the profit of our business. Higher and advanced net of security encryption methods to prevent hackers from seeping in. Our data will be secured from hackers. Vendors and service providers will now have an analytical approach to logistics, which will reduce time loss or theft of asset and legal complications. Approach to logistics, which will reduce time loss or theft of asset and legal complications. Yeah, it reduces the wages that we need to give for the employees, and it saves our energy and time. More than 80% of global organizations are predicted to transit to cloud computing by 2020 and improve their business processing by a whopping 40%. Almost 80% of global organizations are decided to shift for cloud computing to increase their profit for 40%. Next, achieve economy of scale. We can increase the volume of output or productivity with fewer systems and thereby reduce the cost per unit of project or product, um, and our output productivity will be increased, and this results in the profit. Reduce spending on technology infrastructure. It is easy to access the data and information in a pay as you go approach, similar to an electricity meter reading in the house, which is based on demand. It is very easy to access the data and information pay as you go. We should pay whatever we need and how much time we need. We pay as you go. We want to pay for whatever we use, and we can subscribe the applications, similar to an electricity meter reading in the houses. ಇನ್ ಮನೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನು ಯೂಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಗ್ಲೋಬಲೈಸ್ ದ ವರ್ಕ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್. People worldwide can access the cloud with internet connection. Yeah, worldwide cloud computing is developed. People in worldwide can use the cloud computing with proper internet connection. Streamline business process. It's possible to get more work done in less time with less resources. Yeah, it's very easy. We can finish our work very fastly with less time. Reduce capital cost. There is no need to spend huge money for hardware and software licensing. Yeah, we can start up business with less investment and we can grow accordingly. Perceive accessibility. Data and application can be accessed anytime, anywhere, using any smart computing devices, making our life so much easier. Yeah, I'm already said. We can access data anytime, anywhere through smartphones or tablets. Is very easier. Monitor projects more effectively. It is possible to confine within budgetary allocation and can be heard completion of cycle times. Yeah, with our whatever we have budget, we can start up a business and we can subscribe the resources whenever we need in future days of our business. Less personal training is needed. It takes fewer people to do more work on a cloud with minimal learning curve on hardware software issues. Yeah, if it does not have very trained in cloud computing, we can access them. It is very user friendly. Minimize maintenance and licensing software. Maintenance becomes simple and updates and renewals of software systems rely on the cloud vendor or provider. Yeah, maintaining the systems or subscribing, it's very simple. If you have license, it's very simple. Improved flexibility. It is possible to make fast changes in our work environment without serious issues at stake. Yeah, it's very cloud computing is very flexible for users, and it's possible to make a fast changes, any modifications or changes to be done It can be done very fastly and quickly. Thank you.